Okay guys, so this is a recipe I came across on Pinterest. It is a tried and true recipe. The family loves this spaghetti. There are a couple of things I did change, nothing major, but let me go ahead and tell you. For the pasta, I used the thin spaghetti. So here I have 1 pound of thin spaghetti. Here is 3 cloves of minced garlic, salt and pepper. I have 1 cup of half and half. Here is half of a medium onion already chopped. And then in this bowl, it asks for 2 14 ounces of crushed tomato. But what I do is I use 1 can of crushed tomato, which is 14.5 ounces. And then the other one is diced tomato. Which I do is I just slightly pulse it in the blender, just to make it just a little bit chunkier, but not too chunky. Okay guys, so in this big pot, I have some water for the spaghetti. I'm going to let it get to a boil first, and I'm going to go ahead and put a lid on it. Alright, now in the meantime, while I get this water going, I'm going to go ahead and get started on my meatballs. It is a homemade recipe, which I've already done a video on, which I'll go ahead and link it up above so you guys can check it out. So while this is going, I'm going to get my meatballs going first. So my pasta water is already getting to a boil. I'm going to add the pasta here in a minute. But let me go ahead and get my pan going. So here I have a large skillet. And my meatballs are in the oven. So I have that going. Okay, so my pan has heated up. So I'm going to go ahead and spray it with a non-stick spray. And now I'm going to add my onions first. Like that. I'll grab a spatula. You're just going to cook it until it gets soft. For some reason, I always have to come in and add one more spray. Okay, now once the onions are soft, you want to go ahead and add your garlic. And then you're just going to let it cook for like another minute or two. You don't want to brown the garlic as well, or for it to start burning, where it starts to toast. Just like that. We're going to go ahead and add our tomatoes. Turn down the heat. Then you're going to add some salt, not too much. And then you're going to add some, pepper. You're going to cook this for about 10 minutes over medium heat. Go ahead and taste it real quick. It's a little like tart, sour. So we're going to add a pinch of sugar. Just like that. So while this continues to cook, I'm going to go ahead and take my meatballs out of the oven, because I've already drained my spaghetti noodles, but I did not get rid of all the water. I'm going to need just a little bit on reserve. Let's see here. I'm going to add just a little bit more sugar, because it's a little tart. Okay, so now we're going to add our half and half. And we're going to add Parmesan cheese. I forgot to mention this as part of the ingredients. So we're going to go ahead and add our half and half, stirring it at the same time. Okay. And now we're going to add our cheese. The amount of cheese is all up to you, so you can taste it as you go. So let's go ahead and mix this. Now, to this, I'm going to add some of that pasta water. And this is going to determine how thin or thick you want this sauce. Just like that. Let's add just a little bit more. think it's good. I don't think I need anything else to add to this. I already turned off the heat with the sauce, and I drained the rest of my pasta with that reserved water we have. Now we're gonna get that pasta that we've already drained, and we're gonna go ahead and add it to the sauce. Just like this. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. So now I'm gonna coat it in the sauce, and then I'm gonna show you how it looks once I put everything together. All right, guys, so here it is. Here is my spaghetti. There's the meatballs. These are homemade. I do have a recipe. I'll go ahead and link it up. My toast is just store-bought. I just threw them in the oven to heat up. I went ahead and put some Parmesan cheese on it, and I topped it with some parsley. But this is it, guys. This is my spaghetti. This is the spaghetti recipe. And thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys give it a try. It is really good. It is really delicious. Look at that. So thank you guys for watching. Go ahead and give it a thumbs up if you like this video, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye, guys.